Welcome back, guys. Another unboxing video. I think this makes number 5. I'm not sure. I have an audience over there. Lily and my wife. I'm going to be using the Swiss Army knife, and this is the Pioneer version. First package is going to be a package from eBay. Dave Ritter. Thank you, Dave, for getting a hold of me and saying, hey, I got that one razor you're looking for. Did an excellent job taping it up. Let's see if I can cut myself or not. Tape on tape, tape. All right, here we go. Just by the looks of this box, I was wondering if it really came in the original box, and it did. So that's nice. Whew. Look familiar. Sweet. Still comes with all the original paperwork. And this is the Occam's Orin, and this is the one that we were talking about that has the open handle and the redesigned head. I look forward to giving this one a try. I still haven't tried the other one. I'll probably do this is the Nano, and so I might do a head-to-head shave off with this one and the original one, but first I want to give them an individual fair shake by themselves. Put that back in the box. Very nice, thank you. And the next one, can't remember exactly what this is. It's terrible when you get packages and you don't even know what they are. She's over there smiling at me. Feels pretty thin. Butterscotch. That's unusual. I was thinking it might be some razor blades, but package in a package. Getting a little thinner and thinner as we go. What can it be? Oh yeah. It's not razor related, but I got some uncirculated quarters. I'm gonna be making some anniversary rings for my sister. If you'd like to see that. Matter of fact, I'll probably put a little thing right here, maybe a short video showing what the final product is on that. Well, happy anniversary, Amy. And that does conclude my unboxing video today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next shave.